ChatGPT.
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 When you hear custom GPT, what do you picture? I'm gonna throw a few things out there and let me know if these are your mental images as well. Office busy work, server room, robots, this. Be nice, be nice. All right, real talk. Not too long ago, I was thinking, literally, why do I need a custom AI when the regular ChatGPT does everything? I'm telling you though, once you build one of these babies for yourself, you'll only use GPT-4 for one-offs and prompt building. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need, what you can make, and how to build a custom GPT of your very own. Let's go. Phase 1 is super easy. You need GPT-4. So head to OpenAI and sign up for ChatGPT Plus. Look for the upgrade plan button above your name at the bottom of the page. Once there, you'll see two options, ChatGPT Plus and GPT Team, which gets you more features. Plus is all you need for custom GPT building, but pick the one that you want and meet me in phase 2. Phase 2 is all about figuring out the perfect GPT app for you. A lot of people start with simply automating the repetitive tasks they don't want to spend their precious time on anymore. That's dope. That's where I started. But since we've recently taken a look at everyday life and work productivity on this channel, I thought it might be cool to get a little personal. You'll see what I mean in phase 3. So brainstorm out some functions you want to automate, or if you're feeling stuck, I'll ask you this. What have you done on your phone or laptop 5 times or more in the past 5 days? Whatever that thing is, you're gonna enhance your experience with it using AI. Before we jump into the last phase, this is a great time to tell you that anything you build will be accessible on the ChatGPT app as well. Now that's super powerful because it blows the doors wide open in terms of GPTs worth building for yourself. I mean, you can't bring your laptop everywhere, nor do you want to. So don't let the idea of ChatGPT being a website limit your creativity. If you're still blanking, I'll include access to my free custom GPT Builder checklist in the description box below to help you out. With that being said, let's roll into the last phase of custom GPTs. Phase 3 is all about building. You can spend 5 minutes here or 3 hours. It just depends on how involved you want your GPT to be. For this video, I decided to build a custom GPT for workouts. I don't need a whole ton of features, which is why I don't want to pay for a dedicated workout app. I know there's tons of great ones. I simply want something on my phone that's ad-free that will suggest workouts based on the muscles I'm targeting that day. This way, I'll avoid plateauing and boredom at the same machines in the same routines week after week. I can't with this anymore. Let's build it out. Assuming you're not an expert in whatever you want to build, your first step is asking ChatGPT to give you a framework. We'll do these next couple steps in regular GPT-4. Since I'm no personal trainer, I'm going to start by telling GPT-4 what I'm looking for. The easiest and the fastest way to accomplish this is with roleplay. Focus. So AI is surprisingly good with this. With that in mind, you already have the first sentence of your prompt. You'll see I kept it short and sweet. You are a personal trainer. The next sentence should describe your problem without asking for the solution. We'll take care of the solution bit at the end for an important reason, but we'll get to that soon. So if you take a look-see, you can see my next sentence in the prompt will be, I want to stay motivated in the gym by keeping my routine interesting with different machines. Here's what I'm doing now. If your prompt is structured that way, which I suggest so the AI response is actually helpful to you, go ahead and describe your routine or your task or your workflow. Fitness junkies, don't come for me. This is what I gave ChatGPT. I go to Planet Fitness 5 days a week. Each day gets a different focus, and all days feature a 15-minute cardio as a warm-up. Day 1 is legs, day 2 is back and biceps, day 3 is chest and triceps, day 4 is shoulder and abs, and day 5 is full body. Every week I increase my weight on the machines, barbell or dumbbells, by 2.5 pounds. Every 3 months, I add 5 minutes to my warm-up cardio. Now you'll do something similar as it relates to the custom that you're building. The point here is to give it all the information it needs to fully understand what you're about to ask it to do. Now we close the prompt with the big ask and have ChatGPT run a little test to make sure we like the results before we custom build. For this purpose, this is what I came up with. What workout routine would you suggest using all the equipment that is available at Planet Fitness locations? I want to do the same exercise for 3 weeks, and then you will suggest a workout routine with new exercises that still target the same muscles on the given day. I would like to see an outline of the next 4 months, right? Basic, simple, straightforward. The reason we waited till the end of the prompt to ask for a solution is we want ChatGPT to read all of the information we have before starting to work on the problem. Make sense? I love the results, so it's time to take our prompt over to the custom GPT builder. Click Explore GPTs in the middle of your nav panel and look to the top right of the GPT store. You'll see a Create button. Go ahead and click that to get to the builder. Once you have custom GPTs, you can get to the builder quicker by clicking your name on the home screen and then My GPTs. Then the builder will be right at the top of the page. Open the builder and you'll see some variation of this page. Use the toggle at the top to make sure you're in Create mode. We'll finish up in the Configure tab, so ignore that for now. Here you'll see GPT Builder asking you what you want to create. We'll take our vetted prompt and toss it in. Next, it will want to know what to call this custom GPT. If you don't like the initial suggestion, just ask GPT Builder to suggest a list of names. Keep going until you find one you do like. I went with Flex Formula. Then it will create a profile picture using DALL-E based on the title you chose. Sometimes it's dead on, sometimes it's way off. Just tell it how you want the picture changed and it'll do it. Home stretch here. GPT Builder will want any additional information you'd like to provide it so it can better serve you. This is where you put in your likes, your dislikes, things to avoid, things you'll always want included, your goals, you get the idea. So I said, I want each routine to include 5 exercises plus warm-up cardio. I never want to do a dumbbell only workout, but I don't mind if there are dumbbell exercises in the routine. My goal is to gain overall strength. We'll give it a test prompt in the testing window next door and see what it gives us. All right, so it's super close, but I want to make some tweaks. Let's wrap up in the Configure tab. Flip that toggle at the top of the screen and you'll see your custom GPT broken out. You can change your profile picture in here, reword the GPT description if you want, and down in the instructions, you'll see how the GPT Builder interpreted your prompt. Skim through and look for a good spot to drop in additional requirements for your GPT to process before giving you a result. So for me, it looks like right after my AI interpreted instruction paragraph would be a good spot. When fixing the little errors that might pop up, it's best to speak in absolutes. For example, I threw this in there. Always generate a maximum of 5 exercises per workout. When generating weekly workout routines, never schedule workouts on a Friday or a Sunday. Always start the generated list with cardio. Always use this example format when generating workout plans. And then I gave it the example format. It still wasn't quite right. You can see it's only giving me 4 exercises and not 5. That's on me. I wasn't clear enough. So I went back in and I made one final adjustment. Always generate a maximum of 5 exercises per workout, cardio not included. And with that, a quick preview in the window next door marks this GPT done to my liking. So once you've gotten to the point where you've tested it and it's good to go, you can publish it for your own private use, get an unlisted link, meaning if you share the link with someone, they can access it, but it won't show up in the GPT store. Or you can publish it to the public, which adds it to the GPT store. To add your website to your public GPT, head to Settings under your name at the bottom of the home screen and click on Builder Profile and add it there. So I'm about to head out to the gym. Let's see if Flex Formula is good to go. Obviously, I'm not bringing my laptop to Planet Fitness, so I'm gonna open ChatGPT on my phone. You can see Flex Formula shows under the double-lined pop-out menu. I have a bunch of these, so I have to hit See More, and bang, there she is, working great. That's all there is to it. I'll include access to a free custom GPT builder checklist in the description below, so you'll have a quick reference sheet. If this video cleared up exactly how to get this done, give it a sweet little thumbs up and let me know what you're building in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. There's tons more we could have done here to supercharge your custom GPT, but I promised you quick and easy with this one, and that's what you got. So subscribe to the channel if you're a fan of promises made and promises kept. Anyway, I hope you have the best week ever, and I'll be seeing you later.